Hey everybody, it's Rhonda. Today we are inside of MyDesigns. Okay. It's been a while since I've done a video using MyDesigns and I thought it was time. So today I am going to show you how you can make a complete design, a complete PNG for like a t-shirt or a tote bag or whatever you want to use it on from within MyDesigns. Start to finish. You don't need to leave this platform at all. Okay. We're going to do everything from creating our image to getting our listings ready to publishing them to your Etsy shop, all inside of MyDesigns. So the first thing we'll do is on the left over here, we're going to select Dream AI. Okay? And this is MyDesigns image generator. Now I have a prompt here that I've already got ready to go. It's for a golden doodle wearing a sombrero and all ready for Cinco de Mayo in the faux yarn style that is super popular on Etsy right now. So I pasted my prompt in and I'm going to come up here though, and I'm going to change my model. I'm going to use Nano Banana 2 for this, and I am going to have it create two images for me so I can, take a look and see which one I like best. Once I do that, I'm just going to come down here to the bottom and click Dream. And it's going to generate my two images for me. This is my Cinco de Mayo golden doodle. Dog breeds are always popular. The faux yarn style is very popular and trendy right now on Etsy. And then I am designing for an upcoming holiday in May of Cinco de Mayo. So I took a few different things that should work well and put them together. So here is our one image and there is our other. And I love them both, but I think I am going to go with this one because I like how we can still see his eyes through the glasses. I mean, they are both absolutely fantastic. I love them both. But once I've decided which image I want, I'm just going to click on it to select it. And then up here in the upper right, I'm going to choose Save to Listings. And I'm going to have it remove the background, and I'm going to have it upscale for me, all in one fell swoop, I guess. And I want to put this into my main file slot and create a new listing. So I'm just going to click Save to Listings, and it has me confirm, and it will take just a minute or two for this to create the listing. So I'm just going to pop over to listings right now, and this will populate in just a minute with that listing. Here we go. There it is. Okay. There is our dog. So I'm going to select this. And my next task, this is 4096 by 4096. Now I like to have all my designs 5000 by 5000. You could absolutely leave it this way if you wanted to. It's up to you. But I'm going to go into the canvas here, or you can access it from the quick actions menu. Canvas, and I am going to select my 5000 by 5000 preset, add my listing right here, and then I'm going to click on position, fit to artboard, and it just makes this fit my 5000 by 5000 image the way I like it to. So then I'm just going to click on save, and I'm going to have it overwrite my main file. Okay. So we're just going to confirm we want to overwrite. And now our image, if we hover over, you can see it is 5000 by 5000 transparent PNG. So our next task is going to be to create our mockups for this design, right? So again, I'm going to come to quick actions. I'm going to click on image mockups. And in here, you'll see a bunch of different mockups that you can use. Clothing, they have drinkware, if you wanted to put this on a tumbler, they have all kinds. They have, laptop sleeves, laundry bags, tote bags, banners, whatever. But I have custom mockups that I have added. And I also have a profile, a mockup profile, where I have already selected all of my favorite mockups that I want to use. So I am just going to select that. And I have a MyDesigns like mini course in our community where I show you all these different features of MyDesigns. So if you wanted to look at that, you can go check that out. But I have all my mockups here that I want to use. So I'm just going to select that profile just like that. And then I'm going to click in the lower right. Let me move me out of the way. I'm going to click Generate Mockups down here in the lower right. and it wants confirmation. So we'll confirm and we will make our mockups. And it'll take just a minute or two for MyDesigns to do this. But this is a crazy and amazing platform here. MyDesigns does just about everything. And it's so nice that you can come in here and do everything in one place. I don't have to leave here. I don't have to go to Canva. I don't have to go to Photoshop. I don't have to go anywhere. Everything is done in here. So let me switch views 1 second so you can see this. Now, if I click here, there's our first mockup. There we go. And our second mockup, our third, fourth, and then I have all of my listing images right here. My informational images, my how to download image, everything. It's all done for me right here because I took the time and uploaded all of this stuff one time to MyDesigns. Now it's saved it and it's here. I can use it over and over and over and over again, which is absolutely fantastic. All right. So once I have my listing images ready, now I need to fill in my title, my description, and my tags. Well, MyDesigns makes that super easy too. I'm going to come up here to quick actions. I'm going to scroll down and select Vision AI. Now, again, Vision AI, you see these little crowns. Some features in here, you must have a paid account to use, but MyDesigns is worth every penny. I think the starter account is $24.95 a month, but I also have a coupon that I'll leave below for you is for 25% off. So you can get it even cheaper, but you can do everything. Everything you need to do can be done in here. So anyway, we're in here with Vision AI. I've chosen my main file, the file that I want to sell as my file slot. Then it says select product type. Well, I'm not selling a t-shirt. I am going to scroll all the way to the bottom and I'm going to select other because I am selling a digital file. And in here, it says specify other type. So I'm going to tell it it's a 300 DPI transparent PNG design for sublimation, DTF printing, or POD. Okay. So this is exactly what I'm selling. It is a transparent PNG design that's suitable for sublimation, for DTF printing, and for POD. My platform is Etsy, and I want it to fill in my title, my description, and my tags. Now, if I had a preset description, I could ask this to append to it or prepend it, but I'm just going to let it overwrite everything. And I'm going to click generate listing data and run Vision AI. And this takes just a minute or two. Now, like any AI, it's not always perfect. You will want to look at your title, look at your description, look at your tags, and see if there is anything you want to fix. Okay. And now I don't know why that it made my description longer than it can be because MyDesigns knows how long it can be. So I'm just going to look through here and look and see if there's something, that I can just remove that I don't need here. I think I'm just going to get rid of that line and I'm going to look in here and keep poodle mixed dog. I'm going to write golden doodle here. And I'm just probably going to get rid of this last line. Okay. And now I have my description under 1100 characters. And then I can look up here at my title, cute fiesta dog, PNG, sombrero, doodle puppy. Not bad, but I'm probably going to change this here to click in there again. Let's do faux yarn, Cinco de Mayo, golden doodle, PNG design. And I will now get rid of some of these other words to keep my title where it needs to be. So let's get rid of that one and get rid of colorful celebration graphic. That is an absolutely unneeded. Okay, so we've got faux yarn, Cinco de Mayo, golden doodle, PNG design, and that looks pretty good. And again, if this was, real rather than just me doing this video for you to show you how it can be done, I would go through here and I would probably bring up listing view and check each one of these tags to make sure that they are the best tag that I could be using. So I'm going to look here, Cinco de Mayo design, colorful dog graphics, sombrero puppy art, fiesta dog PNG, all that looks good. And from there, we can go to publish. And to publish, we'll just come up here in the upper right corner, click on publish, and it will then ask you to select your platform and then POD or digital. Now, to publish digital products from MyDesigns straight to your Etsy shop, again, you do have to have a paid account. So I'm going to select digital, and then we're going to select the files to sell file. And then we'll click next. And then here are our mockups, but we don't want our main file as a mockup. So this is how our listing will look right here with all of our mockups. And then next step, we will evaluate, look and see if everything looks right. Pricing, all that stuff. Everything looks good. Next step, select your store, your category, and do you want this to go into your draft folder or active? And I'm just going to send it to my draft folder, and then I'm going to click publish. Now, if you have a paid account here, not only can you list your products right from your dashboard here inside of MyDesigns, but you can list multiple listings at one time. You can bulk publish, 5, 10, 20 listings at the same time, which is fantastic. So now it only takes a minute or two for this to work. So here is our listing right here in your draft folder in Etsy. From here, you can change the sections it goes into, and then just click publish to make it go live. So that's how easy it is to create and publish a design directly from MyDesigns without ever using another platform. I tried to show you everything you needed to know in here. If you do have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. I'll answer as soon as I can. Take a minute to like and subscribe, please. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.